welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about making timetable for the revision of term 1 exams, as only 1 month is left. So from my side, all the best and best of luck to each and every one of you. Before getting in the video, I just want to clear out something. Firstly, I'm also in 10th class and I'm also at your condition only. So please forgive me if I say anything wrong, because whatever I will say in the video, I will say what I feel according to me. Hey, come on, don't sit like that. Have a smile on your face, because the upcoming video is going to be something different. You will make your timetable through MCQ type questions. So be happy and please watch this video till the end. See, I want to say something, that I was not able to give you a perfect timetable whose everyone will be able to follow, because everyone is having a different mindset. Everyone, their tuition timings, their way of studying, their learning capacity, their revision strategy. So every person, it differs from person to person. So I can't give you one timetable that you have to follow this and you will ace it. No, not like that. So now, without further talking, let's start the video. And if anything would be helpful in the video, do like and subscribe my channel. Here comes your question number 1. See, I will also be choosing answers with you, along with you, so that you understand. For an example, here comes the question number 1. Choose the correct option. I will choose option number B, night owl, because I prefer studying at night, because I get that peaceful environment at night only. All day I don't get that environment. Always some surrounding noises are always around me, which don't allow me to study. Here comes the question number 2. Which time is perfect for your study session number 1? Hey, don't think that it's too early to start studying at this time, because it's just 1 month left and you will have to manage it if you have to ace it. Fastly answer the question number 3. Time for your study session number 2. I am giving you time according to that, is because festive season is all around and we have to do study and enjoy the festivals also. So I have kept the study sessions according to that only, that you will get proper time for your celebrations, your Diwali celebrations and everything. So do have fun. Here's the question for your last study session. Congratulations, now you are at your last study session. I will choose option number D, as I am a night owl. I like very much studying at the night only. And didn't you have noticed that you have got a lot of time for your celebrations and for your festival celebrations also? And you could see on the screen that you have managed to study 6 hours in a day, which is more than enough. Here comes the most important question, that do you have that courage to ace it, which means you have that courage to get 40 out of 40 anyhow. You have to answer this question in the comment box, and it's very necessary. Not always full marks, but we can try for that. Very lastly and very fastly, I will tell you 2 ideas that will surely help you in your revision, which I am also following. So first one is that start your revision following the reverse strategy, which means start the revising the chapters from last to first. It is because more often it happens whenever we think of doing our revision, we start from first chapter, and when we reach till the last chapter, we loses our enthusiasm, and last chapters always remain our weak ones. So start doing with those weak ones and then reach the first chapter. Second idea is that complete your hard subjects and weak topics first. Give them priority rather than doing your easy and clear topics and thinking that you are doing revision. So please do hard ones first, then the simple ones. That's all for today's video. I hope this would be very helpful for you. Sorry because I have made this in very rush, so maybe it has some mistakes. Please forgive me, considering you as a friend. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye and have a very, very, very nice day.